In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit memos with this QuickBooks Online tutorial. A credit memo is used when you need to reduce or reverse part of a customer's charge, such as when goods are returned, a service is adjusted, or an overcharge needs to be corrected. The goal is to make sure the customer's balance and your records stay accurate. So let's walk through the process clearly. To begin, open the credit memo form inside QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, click the plus new button, which may also appear as plus create depending on your version. Under the customers column, choose credit memo. This opens the form where you'll enter all the details for the adjustment. Next, select the customer. In the customer drop-down menu, choose the correct customer name. If that customer has already been saved in your system, QuickBooks will usually autofill details like the billing address and email. That can save time, but it's still a good idea to quickly review the information to make sure everything matches the account you want to credit. Now enter the transaction details. Start with the credit memo date. In most cases, this will be the current date, but if the credit is related to a return or adjustment from an earlier date, use the date that best reflects when that happened. Keeping dates accurate helps your report stay clean and consistent. Then move to the product or service column. Select the exact item or service that is being credited. This is important because using the correct line item ensures your sales records, inventory tracking, and reporting stay aligned with the original transaction. After that, enter the correct quantity and rate so the total credit amount matches what needs to be reversed. Take a moment here to compare it with the original invoice if needed, especially if the customer is only receiving a partial credit. If sales tax was included on the original invoice, check the tax settings carefully. Make sure the taxable option or tax rate is set correctly so the credit memo also reverses the appropriate sales tax amount. This step matters because an incorrect tax setting can throw off both customer balances and tax reporting. You can also add a message if needed. This is optional, but it can be helpful to include a short note for the customer that appears on the credit memo. If you need to leave information just for your team or your own records, use the memo field for internal notes instead. Once everything looks correct, save the form. Use the drop-down in the bottom right corner to choose either Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you want to create another credit memo right away. And that's how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online quickly and accurately.